Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 7th chord, 7th bar chord. And in this scenario, we're going to play the 6th string 7th bar chord. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like. So, the 6th string 7th bar chord, this is how it looks. And this is how it sounds. In this scenario, I'm going to play the G7 bar chord. And G being the root note. So if I go to the 6th string, 3rd fret, and that's my G note, I'm going to take my index finger, place it over all 6 strings. Then I'm going to take my ring finger and place it on the 5th fret, 5th string. Then I'll take my middle finger and place it on the 4th fret, 3rd string. So what it ends up doing is, the first note is from that index finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. The second note is with the ring finger on the 5th fret, 5th string. The third note is played with the index finger, barred there, on the 3rd fret, 4th string. The next note is played with my middle finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. And that index finger there on the 3rd fret ends up playing over the 1st and 2nd strings. So that index finger really covers strings 1, 2, 4, and 6. Practice your strumming, and also practice playing those notes individually. Get it nice and clean, work on that, and this should sound real nice. So, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed this video on the G7 bar chord. And remember, you can take this bar chord and move it all over the fretboard. Wherever that 6th string root note is, just play it over.